Hello everyone and welcome to the Port Calls YouTube channel. Here's a bit of good news for you. The CMA CGM Group is collecting a container maintenance fee instead of the controversial container deposit fee on all imports into the Philippines starting January 15, 2021. Chamber of Customs Brokers Incorporated welcomed the development, saying the new fee is better because it is billed directly to the consignee and is very much lower than the average 15,000 container deposit required by shipping lines. The container maintenance fee applies to all import shipments for all brands under the CMA CGM Group, including CNC, ANL, and APL, and here are the rates. The deposit fee will be waived by default upon payment of maintenance fee, which will be collected at destination. The maintenance fee will be paid by the consignee and reflected on the import bill of lading charges, except in cases of special arrangements. The container maintenance fee will cover equipment damage per unit from $1 up to $250. Any damage or repair in excess of $250 per unit will be systematically billed to the consignee named on the bill of lading. The payment of container maintenance fee does not apply to shipper-owned container. In case the consignee does not avail of the maintenance fee, the standard deposit fee will apply, and a credit note will be issued to refund the maintenance fee to the consignee. The return of container deposits to consignees and to customs brokers who shoulder the deposits as a value-added service to their client consignees has long been an issue among industry stakeholders. Foreign shipping lines started requiring container deposits in 1995 after many instances of importers not returning empty containers, which are vital parts of a container ship. There goes my good news, guys! Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!